Hi everyone, this is Tammy at Snowstorm Crafts, and welcome to episode 4. This was the final episode in my Bee Junk Journal series, and I show you guys how to make the little booklet in the front and how to assemble the big journal in the back here. So if you could please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and you guys can see my next video when I post it. Like, comment, and share, and let's grow together. Okay, so what I want to do with you guys today is a flip through. So I got it all done and everything in it, and let's just get going here. So I got a cute little tie on the front, and the colors I wanted to stick with is blue, yellows, and then some greens throughout. And then of course I did some avocado dyed fabric and papers and onion skin dyed fabric and papers. And then I think I have like 1 or 2 tea dyed papers in here too. So it's just got all kinds of stuff happening. So this is just the little tie. That's the back of it here. So this wraps around. You got plenty of room to tie. And this will be in my Etsy shop. And this is super long, so it wraps around a couple times. So you got plenty of room to tie it up. Okay. So we got that, and then we have our little booklet here. So we'll start with this one. Okay. So I just did some slow stitching on the front here. If you could see, just some stitching. And we got our little charm, our little bee charm. And this cute little fabric or little lacy flower, I dyed it with some Rit dye, which I've showed you guys before, but I'll show you. It's Rit dye, and it's a liquid, and it's usually for clothing or, you know, fabrics and stuff. So I use it on my tie-dyed banner flags that I sell in my Etsy shop, and my gift rainbow bags. They're made out of Lycra, and they're stretchy, and they're for like birthday parties and stuff like that. You can get different sizes of rainbow gift bags. So I sell those, and I use Rit dye, different colors to do that. So I decided to go ahead and do a little bit on this and make it, it was white, so I made it yellow. And then just did some trims to work and some layer of fabric and stuff. So that's the front of it. And then the inside here says Bee Journal with a little die cut and a Tim Holtz tag, scrapbook paper that I made into a tag with a little bee on it and some thread behind it. And a little lacy pocket here. And then just like I said, some I got some craft paper, avocado dyed, handmade paper, botanical paper that I made. Just some pattern paper thrown throughout, some coloring pages. So yeah, it just has some fun little journaling spots in here with little bee stamps all the way through, little bumblebees. And just did some fabric on the inside here. And some sewing and stuff on the back. So, and then the little glass bead. So you'll see throughout I got some glass beads, and then I also got a necklace that I attached throughout to necklace pieces of beads. So that's a little glass bead. And that's a little mini journal. Okay. And then here's the big journal. And did some gesso and just some more Tim Holtz scrapbook paper and some sewing and just different layering on the front here. And this cute little cluster with the button. I thought that button was really cool. It's pretty neat looking. I liked it. And then just a little dangle here with the bowl pin with some beads on it. Okay. And then we got the front here with some more Tim Holtz scrapbook paper. And just did a little bit of bee material with a little honeycomb and bee on it, and I avocado dyed, or onion dyed, one or the other, on the fabric. So you can see I just did some stenciling throughout and stuff, and gessoing, and just add a little texture. And a cute little bee die cut that I sprayed it with some gold spray paint. So I just made it, so it's just a cute little gold thing right there. Some more handmade paper, journaling spots, a cute little index card with a little wiener dog on it. I thought that was cute. Little clusters that I did with some of the papers I've used. So you can see. This is just some flowers from my garden. Some dried flowers I put into the paper that I made. And this is just a fun little bee cut out again with a cluster and the word bee that I spray painted, and some dyed lace. And then these are the little beads that I was talking about. It's this necklace. So it's just a necklace that I loved how they are. They're so pretty. So I put those throughout the whole journal. I have them hanging off the lace and stuff here. You can see. So it's all dangly. So it's pretty fun. And then just a fabric ruffle, some more sewing, some stamping. And then all throughout there's fun, just a little ephemera stuff that you can play with. So this all comes with it. And another little, it says collect moments, not things, which I thought that was cute. And another little flower. And then just a little glass bead. So I got some glass beads throughout, and I just thought they were really cute. And a little just side tuck here that I did with fabric. This is some fabric I had. So I just stuck some fun ephemera in here. Like that. And have some of the threads hanging. And I thought this was a fun little pocket that I did with just some of the pattern paper. So you got a little pocket just to stick stuff in. Like that. And this is just a little paper bag that I sewn and did some stamping. So you have some fun little stuff you can open up and you can journal on. So yeah, it's always fun to use a little paper bag. Okay. So there we go. And this is more stamping. It's Tim Holtz stamp with a little bird and stuff on it. And some, a little more collaging with some stamping. And then just a cute little tag here with a pocket. So I thought that was fun. Little Tim Holtz. And a magazine page that I did some decoupage with tea bags and some pattern paper and some stamping. So just some fun interest page here. And then some more journaling spots and tucked away in a little bag right here. And then another little glass bead, which I thought was really pretty. Okay. And a cute little side pocket. And I thought this was cute because it has little bees on it. So it's a fun little just journaling spot. And some stamping on the back here. With some sewing around. There we go. And some more beads from the necklace. And another little belly band with some Tim Holtz. Some dyed fabric. Okay. And this is a cute little flip out. It just flips like that. And then this is the tea dyed paper. I think it might be the only tea dyed paper I have in here. But it's a tea dyed paper with some stamping. And some more Tim Holtz stamps here. And just a little flip out. I'll have to fix that. So it's just a little flip out here. With some collaging, some journaling spots, some fun interest pages. Some things you can jot down your thoughts and ideas. It's just the washi tape. I'll have to snip it. Do a little snipping. And there we go. And a cute little glass bead. I think they're really neat. They're fun looking. Okay. And I gessoed the back of this cardstock and did some stamping on it, and then put a cute little, just like a crocheted little rose. And I just thought that was really neat, and I dyed it with some, I think that's onion skin dyed. So I think it turned out really cool. So I just kind of glued it right there. And I did some decoupage on a magazine or a book page. I think this, yeah, this was a book page of a garden book. And put a die cut behind it and some stamping. And did stamping and stuff on top. And some tea bags. And this is the inside of it. Another little glass bead. And then some more on the back with some flowers and some bee die cuts. So I think that's fun with the stamping. And then I just did a glue down. I'll have to glue that a little better. Of some Tim Holtz, just scrapbook with some bees on it. Just glued down there. With some sewing in the background and some fun lace with some beads on it. And then this is the back of it. And I did a little dangler with a little glass bead with some cool just wire around it. I think that's so neat. That's pretty. I thought that was fun. And then this is the binding. It's just some hand-dyed avocado or onion skin dyed fabric with the bees on it that I just put on there. So I think that turned out kind of cool. So there we go. We got ourselves a cute little bee journal. And like I said, this will be in my Etsy shop. And I will put down the pages and how much and how the size of it and stuff. And get all that ready for you. And you guys can come check it out. Even if you guys don't come purchase, it helps me out a lot if you come and just favor my shop. And just push the heart. And you can see what I post next time in my shop. And it'll show up for you. So yeah. So I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, please hit the like button. It helps out a lot in my shop or in my channel. And please comment down below and let me know what you think. And keep on crafting, guys.